What a cute sleeping kitty. Aww. Okay, fun times. First vlog. Yes, good. We're gonna go make some tea. It'll be fun. Is this not the cutest tea kettle ever? It's actually my wife. We're married. It's true. True facts. It'd probably help if I turn the burner on. That will start to whistle when it's done. I had my mugs in the cabinet because my stepdad will take them and use them and leave coffee stains. I don't drink coffee. It doesn't happen. I think I scrubbed. That's right there, you can sort of see it. But yeah, so now we have to pick out the flavor of tea. Okay. It's actually smells like the burner is burning the bottom of the tea kettle. Can't talk. I'm actually sort of wondering if I should pick a different mug than this. I use this mug. I also have this mug. It's pretty cool. I have like 3 other mugs upstairs because I can't hide them so nobody else will use them. Okay. It's good. Okay, I actually felt like using this mug. You know, Ocarina of Time. It's pretty cool. I got it at Costco. Fun times. My mug for my tea. And the sugar. Most important part. Well, actually, it wouldn't be tea if it didn't have the tea bag, so it's the second most important part. Now we wait. It should actually be boiling pretty soon, but this doesn't always work. I don't know why. It sort of looks like a piggy nose. But I got my, I'm not using that. It's not half a cup of sugar, but I'll just get my big girl spoon. Big boy spoon. This actually sounds like it should be whistling right now. No, it's not. I can like hear it. Why isn't it whistling? Here it is. But I got my tea. And it actually looks like it's... Oh my gosh. Alright, we got ourselves some tea. What are you looking at? Hmm? It's like he wants something. What do you see? Oh, it must be the strings of my jacket, maybe? He's like ready to go. Now for the sugar. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe just a little bit more. I think the tea bag broke. So now I have my tea. It tastes very good. It's very hot though. Yep, that was me just burning my mouth. Don't mind me. But yeah, so that was fun. I had fun. Now the question is, now what? Snow is melting. Okay, so here's the not so fun part about snow. It sort of traps your car, I guess. So I'm gonna go dig up my car, which is unfortunately a long walk because I get out of work at like 9 or 10 at night and there's no more parking spots. So yeah. At least there's no more ice. This morning it was so icy, but now it's like 40 something degrees, so it's melting. So we're here once again. The snowplow has successfully pushed up all the snow against my car, and I have to get rid of it. Luckily, since it's like 40 something degrees, it's pretty soft, not really iced over anymore. I guess it was this morning, but it's been like, what, 2 days since it snowed, so it should be pretty easy. So, in case you've never shoveled out a car from snow before, step one is to get all the snow away from the door, so you can turn it on and start heating it up so it melts faster. This is actually a lot easier than it was last time it snowed, because it was literally like right up against the car door. It took me like half an hour. Okay, so we got that step done. Unfortunately, I'll probably end up getting snow all over the inside, but now I can, if I can find the key, turn this guy on, but that's not it. Let's... Alright. Oh, don't want to copyright it. Almost. So here we have our windshield, and oh dear, where'd they go? This is like, could build a snowman from this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this snow is like perfect for like throwing at people. My hand is freezing from touching the snow. Oh no, I just got it all over the inside. Oh my god, I'm getting it everywhere. Okay, so, oh, there they go. Oh no, it just went all over the inside. Oh my god. Damn it. I should get it out quick. I heard that. Just turn on the back defroster and turn on the front defroster. Well, there you go. Front is now clear and defrosting. I feel like this is the first sign of life I've seen in days. Pavement. Holy pavement. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what my plan was here, but I'm thinking maybe if I turn enough I can get out. But the question is, I want to see if I can get out now so I can get out on Monday when I need to go to school and class and stuff. But the question is, will I be able to get back in? Because there's no other spots. Everybody's home today. So I think I might just test it. So, sorry for the camera angle. We're gonna try. And I don't know. See what this does. I have no idea. Okay, so I don't wanna, it's so hot. I don't wanna like hit the car in front of me, but I wanna try and get out so I can get out on Monday if the snow doesn't melt and it freezes over again, because then I definitely won't be able to shovel out there's a guy watching me. No, I got it though, thanks. Look at this. I made a tiny snowman for my car. And I also managed to get my car back into its spot, which is fun.
Alright, thanks for watching. I appreciate you putting up with watching this video and the choppy editing that I have done, because since this is my first vlog, it's not my first time editing a video, but it's been a long time since I actually seriously edited a video for myself. So, thanks, and yeah.